This is how to add text to your subjects and remove the subject from the background and blur the background and even add text behind the subject. Alright, so step number 1 is to drag your image onto Pixlr. Step number 2, click Control D to duplicate. Okay, so once we have copied the image or one of the images that you choose, go under to the left and then click the cutout / mask tool right here next to AI Auto. Make sure the first one is selected, shape mask, and click AI Auto. The next step is to click on the first image that is not masked out and then go under to Filter, Details, and then Gaussian Blur. Drag this to the right or all the way up to 100 and click Apply. Notice that our image got a little bit blurrier than before. Next, you want to go to Adjustments, go underneath Brightness and Contrast. I'm dragging the brightness to the left so it's negative so the image gets darker. Then I'm dragging the contrast to the right so the image pops out more. Next step is to go and to find the Type tool or the Text tool. Click and drag this on the screen like so. Control A to highlight, and then make this however you would like so that we have our text here on the screen. Drag the text underneath our subject that we masked out. So I'll go underneath to layers, click and hold down your text, and drag it underneath our copy. Adjust the text accordingly.